Hello, this is Nadir again. Today I will show you how to install Microsoft Visio and Microsoft Project as well. Okay, 2021. Really, it's not straight away steps to as a double click on executable file, exe file, but still is easy. Let's start. Okay, let's in Google let's search for Office Deployment Tool. Okay, I can find it in Microsoft Office. Click on that link, on this link, okay, and download it. I'm already downloaded and prepare it, okay, and prepare one folder for it. This folder I rename it as Visio, and I put the download here, the download folder here, file I mean here, okay, and I have to double click this file, execute this file, this tool. This is a tool which says I just now downloaded. Click yes. Okay, let me bring it to the main screen. Click OK, then continue. Okay, now in the browser here I can select for in C, I can select the same folder here and click OK. Okay, file extracted successfully, and I can see there is an extracted files here are appeared here in this window under Visio folder. Okay, there is some files are not interested for them now right now. Okay, I have to create a folder for them, and I have to move it, those three files. Okay, I need only the Office 2021 file. Okay, I have to, let's say this is the first step of the installation. First of all, I have to right click on the configuration XML file, right click and open it with notebook. Great. Okay, this is the XML file. In the configuration part here, okay, I have to remove two things. Let me show you in this window. I have to remove the channel, okay, and I have to remove also the product part. The channel and the product part. Okay, so this is a channel. Okay, and the product part, only 4 lines. Okay, and save and close it. Save and close it. Before I continue, I prefer to rename this file. Okay, because why? Because I have to write it later in PowerShell or MS-DOS CMD. Okay, in the CMD I have to rename it. I have to rewrite it again, so it's better to rename it to the simple name. Let's say configuration only, like this. Okay, and I have to call it either PowerShell or the CMD file to execute it. Let's say CMD, but I have to go back to the Visio folder coming from C. Okay, CD Visio. Okay, now I have to write it down one command. Okay, I will put it in the in the command later in this video, comments in this video. Okay, this command. This is my file, which is just now rename it XML file. I mean, okay, this is my file. So let's copy this command as it is, okay, and rename it here, and paste it in the CMD prompt. That's it, and execute it. Okay, I can show a pop-up Microsoft pop-up window. Okay, started to. I will bring it to the main screen again. Started to install Visio and Microsoft Project 2021. That's it. This is all the steps that I have to follow to install both of them, Microsoft Visio and Microsoft Project 2021. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.